everyone, how's it going? This is your friend Venkat Ramakrishnan at Software Testing and Quality Talks, bringing you the next episode of Software Testing and Quality. In this video, I'm going to talk about two specific issues that testers are facing in their career. One, getting hired as a tester is getting difficult, and two, testers becoming redundant and being let go of the organizations. Let's get into some background of why these are happening. There has been a shift in the way software is being developed. Organizations are looking for speedy delivery and reducing business disruption. These objectives are mostly driven by customer-facing applications. Most of you would be familiar with the term mean time to recover, MTTR. When a customer-facing application breaks, thousands or even millions of dollars are lost depending on the size of the business and the transactions. So downtime of such applications is not acceptable for organizations. In order to achieve least or no downtime, the testing for the fix has to be done while the fix is being prepared itself. That is, the code fix should be inspected by the tester as it is getting ready, not after the code is ready. Interesting, right? But for this to happen, testers need to be in par with the developers in product coding language, deployment infrastructure, nitty-gritty details of the operating systems, design principles and patterns, development frameworks, and production monitoring tools. In addition, the ever-changing test automation frameworks and tools. The problem here is that there is so much of learning and knowledge burden that is thrust upon the testers. If testers don't have these skill sets, they are not respected by the team, and eventually they are let go by the organization. If testers don't possess these skill sets, they don't get hired at the first place. Also, the line between the developers and the testers is getting thinner and thinner because they both are expected to possess almost the same skill sets, except that testers don't write product code. At some point of time, the organization feels that testers don't produce anything tangible like code and asks the developers themselves to do the testing and analysis and fire the testers. What organizations don't realize is that not all applications or software need speedy delivery and fast fixes. It's needed only by huge customer-facing online retail, etc. There's also this challenge of testers being expected to handle multiple test focus areas like performance and security. While each of these areas deserve expert testers of their own. This faulty thinking by organizations is driven by a skewed calculation which says for X number of developers, there should be Y number of testers, where the Y is always significantly lesser than X. This is done mostly for budget considerations by the organizations because they don't respect expert testing as a valuable skill. The organizations think that they can get testing done by automated scripts and checks. Recently, I was in a mob programming session. A company proudly declared that they don't have any testers in the team and they don't intend to hire testers. They also proudly declared that they don't have a defect database because they fix issues on the fly and there is no need to record issues. And there is no time for recording and analyzing defects. Imagine that. I'm afraid that because of all this, the profession called software testing might become obsolete. Or at the least, testers will be just executors of automation scripts and reporting failures to the management. I intend to have ongoing conversations with individuals and panels on these challenges on this channel. Thank you.